Hello kids, today we are going to start a new lesson of standard second, lesson number 5, and our subject is English. So first of all, what we should know? We should know the name of our lesson. So what is the name of our lesson? Let's read the spelling of the lesson. Faith, FUL, faithful. Then LAKHAN, Lakhan. So what's the name of our lesson? It's faithful Lakhan. Faithful means what? Faithful means that if a person is working for someone, एक पर्सन किसी पर्सन के लिए वर्क कर रहा है, सो ही शुड बी फेथफुल, मतलब उसकी उसको बात माननी चाहिए, एंड ही शुड नेवर से लाइज टू दैट पर्सन. वो अगर पर्सन किसी के लिए वर्क कर रहा है तो उसकी बात उसको सुननी चाहिए और कभी भी उसको झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए. सो ओवर हियर इन आवर स्टोरी इज अ लाइफ ऑफ अ पर्सन हुज नेम इज लखन. हम अपनी स्टोरी में किसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे? एक पर्सन जिसका नाम लखन है, एंड हिज फेथफुलनेस, कि वो जिसके लिए काम करता था उसके लिए कितना ट्रूथफुल था, कभी उसको झूठ नहीं बोलता था. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ हिम ही सैक्रिफाइस हिज लाइफ. अपने किंग के लिए उसने अपनी लाइफ को सैक्रिफाइस कर दिया. नाउ let's come on the story. So once upon a time there was a king who used to live in his kingdom. एक टाइम पे एक किंग अपने किंगडम में लिव करता था. he used to live over there. kingdom means a place which king used to hold. king जो उसका पूरा राज्य होता है उसको किंगडम बोलते हैं. and where king lives, he used to live in his पैलेस. वो अपने महल में रहता है, जिसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? वी कॉल इट पैलेस. वी हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न इन आवर अर्लियर चैप्टर्स आल्सो अबाउट द किंग. हमने अपने पहले लेसन्स में भी किंग के बारे में पढ़ा है. सेम इन आवर लेसन आल्सो देयर इज वन मोर king over here, and Lakhan is a person who used to serve the king. Lakhan कौन है? Lakhan is a person who work for the king. वो king के लिए वर्क करता है. It means he is a servant of the king. Who is? He is the servant of the king. Now, one day what happened when the king was getting old and he was not feeling well. One day ऐसा हुआ कि king की तबीयत ठीक नहीं थी. He was not feeling well, and as he was getting old also. So what he think? He thought that he should call his servant Lakhan and hand over some of his responsibilities. मतलब किंग के ऊपर तो कितना सारा वर्क होता है. So लखन was the person who was very faithful. राजा जो होता है उसके किंगडम में कितने सारे लोग वर्क करते हैं, बट द पर्सन ऑन whom king used to trust, पर्सन जिसके ऊपर किंग भरोसा करता है, उसी को वो अपना सारा वर्क आगे का करने के लिए देते हैं. सो ओवर हियर किंग यूज्ड टू ट्रस्ट ऑन लखन. किंग जो था वो लखन के ऊपर बहुत ट्रस्ट करता था, बिकॉज ही वॉज वेरी फेथफुल. कैसा था वो? बहुत फेथफुल था. So one day when king was sleeping in his room, he said to his other servant that go and call Lakhan. उसने अपने सर्वेंट से कहा कि आप जाओ और लखन को बुला के ले आओ. Then what happened? His servant gone and called the Lakhan in the palace. वो गया और लखन को पैलेस में लेके आ गया. When Lakhan came, then king said, then come and sit near me. King was sleeping. I'll show you in the textbook also. See, as this is the bed of the king, and king is sleeping over here, and he is Lakhan, who is sitting nearby king. What king said? King told him that Lakhan, come and sit near me. I want to say something to you. Who said? King said. King ने उसको बोला come और मेरे पास आके बैठो. I want to say something to you. मुझे आपको कुछ बताना है तो आप आके मेरे पास आके बैठो. Then Lakhan immediately gone and sat near the king. लखन गया और वहां जाके तुरंत कहां बैठ गया? राजा के पास. Once he gone and sat near the king, then what king said? King told him about his feelings. King जो feel कर रहे थे उन्होंने किसको बताया? King told to Lakhan that I am not feeling well. मेरी तबीयत अब खराब रहती है and I am getting old. मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है and I want to give you a important responsibility. Important responsibility. Important मतलब जरूरी, responsibility मतलब जिम्मेदारी. As I told you, responsibility and important responsibility given to that person to whom you trust a lot. जिसके ऊपर आप भरोसा करते हैं उसी को responsibility दिया जाता है. Say as I am working over here, so sir must trust us, that's why I am teaching you over here. So it's just the trust. If you are doing good work, you will get the responsibility. Now over here, what king said? King said, I am getting old, so I want to give you my most important responsibility. King was having a young son. King was having a young son. King का एक बेटा था and he was young. मतलब he was not too big, बहुत बड़ा नहीं था, छोटा था. So what he said, if I am not feeling well and I will not be more, so who will going to take care of my son? मेरे बेटे का ध्यान कौन रखेगा? So I want to give you this important responsibility that you have to take care of my son. आपको मेरे बेटे का ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. Now the servant Lakhan could not have any answer. सर्वेंट लखन के पास कोई आंसर नहीं था. Why? Because he was just a servant. वो तो एक सिर्फ सर्वेंट ही था. He got the big responsibility. एक किंग के बेटे का ध्यान रखना is a very big responsibility. And why did king chose Lakhan? King chose Lakhan because Lakhan was the faithful servant. बहुत faithful था वो. हमेशा किंग जो बोलता था वो वही वर्क करता था and he never do anything wrong. So Lakhan was surprised to listen this. Lakhan एकदम surprise हो गया सुन के कि why king have given me this much responsibility? Will I be able to do? क्या मैं ध्यान रख पाऊंगा? Then still when the king told him, so it was a kind of order for him. उसको ऐसा लगा अगर किंग मुझे बोल रहा है तो मेरे लिए ये उनका आदेश ही है. I should say yes to him. So while saying yes at the time when king used to have his servants, at that time servants doesn't speak more in front of the king. जब king के टाइम में उनके पास servants होते थे उस टाइम पे servants तो थे वो ज्यादा बोलते नहीं थे. They used to say yes like this by putting their heads down. In the same manner, Lakhan also nodded his head. Nodded means what? To slide up your head like this. अपना head थोड़ा सा नीचे से down कर लेना. That means nodded. Say as the spelling N-O-D-D-E-D. Nodded means bend your neck. To bend your neck like this. So the king understood that Lakhan is saying yes, he will going to take care of my young son. I don't have to get worried. मुझे अपने बेटे का ध्यान रखने का जरूरत नहीं है. मुझे चिंता नहीं करनी पड़ेगी. If I will not be more, then Lakhan is the person who will going to take care of my son very nicely. लखन ही एक ऐसा पर्सन है जो मेरे सन का ध्यान बहुत अच्छे से रख लेगा. So I don't have to get worry for that. Now when he nodded his head at that time, Lakhan's eyes were filled with tears. जब लखन ने धीमे से ऐसे सर झुकाया तो उसकी आईज में टीयर्स मतलब आंसू आ गए थे. क्यों आंसू आ गए थे? Because to having a responsibility to take care of king's son was very big thing. King ने अपने बेटे की responsibility किसको दी थी? लखन को. टू बी द गार्जियन ऑफ हिम. गार्जियन मीन्स पेरेंट्स के अलावा जो हमारा ध्यान रखते हैं, टेक केयर ऑफ अस, दे आर नोन एज आर गार्जियन. वो हमारे गार्जियन हो जाते हैं. इफ ही वाज द गार्जियन ऑफ मी, किंग चोज मी, देन व्हाट आर द गुड क्वालिटीज आई एम हैविंग? इट मीन्स आई एम द गुड वन. मैं गुड हूं तभी मुझे किंग ने चूज करा है. बिकॉज इन द बिग किंगडम ही कैन चूज एनीवन. वो किसी को भी चूज कर सकते थे, बट ही चोज मी. देन इट्स अ बिग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑन माई हेड. एंड ही फेल्ड विद टीयर्स. उसको आईज में से आंसू आना. टीयर्स मीन्स आंसू आना आईज में. He started crying and he said yes like this. After that king died. King फिर dead हो गए. Then after that what happened? The prince was very young. Prince जिसका ध्यान रखने के लिए उनको कहा गया था, he was very young. What he used to do? He used to roam in the palace. But as the king's prince was getting older and older, as he became a handsome prince, soon the prince became the handsome boy. Then after that what happened? He fell love in with a princess. एक princess kingdom में who is a princess? Princess is a daughter of king and queen. Same as the prince. Who is prince? Prince is the son of king and queen, and same is the princess. Now as the king son prince grew up, he fell in love with a princess. उसको princess से love हो गया. Then what he said? He said that I want to marry the princess. Now Lakhan was the guardian of that prince. King was no more. King तो अब नहीं थे. King ने responsibility किसको दिया था? लखन को. Now Lakhan was the person who had to take care of prince. So when prince said that I want to get married to the princess, now Lakhan got worried. Why Lakhan got worried? Because he started thinking, if I say yes to him, will it be a right answer? Will the princess will be the correct one for him? अगर मैं हाँ बोल देता हूँ तो वो जिस प्रिंसेस से मैरी करना चाहता है, he wanted to get married, their life will be good or it will not be good. So he started thinking. Who started thinking? Lakhan. Then he decided, the prince decided, no, I want to marry the princess only. He said to Lakhan that I have decided, मैंने decide कर लिया है, अब मैं princess से ही marriage करूंगा. Now, then one day what happened? Lakhan overheard three divine ravens making production. What did he hear? He overheard three divine ravens were making some prediction. Overheard means to hear something. So spelling of overheard, overheard. Overheard, that he heard something is speaking. And who was speaking? Divine. Divine means the follower of God. जो God का message हमको convey करता है, they are known as the divine. And the ravens were the black crows. Ravens were the black crow. Crow means it's a bird. So what he heard, that he overheard the divine ravens were doing prediction. Prediction means fortune teller, जो हमको future के बारे में बताते हैं कि आगे हमारे future में क्या हो सकता है. What who heard? Lakhan heard that someone is dead, divine are speaking something. So he got worried. अब उसको चिंता हो गया था. So the first divine, what he said, one of them said that prince mounts. If the prince mounts his horse, mounts मतलब to ride a horse. Ride मतलब horse के ऊपर बैठ के उसको चलाना. To ride a horse. One of the, who said ravens? One of the ravens said, if the king will going to mount the horse, then what will happen? A curse will be half. Curse means, हमने आपको पहले स्टोरी में बताया, curse means किसी के ऊपर जो अगर कोई श्राप दे देते हैं. I told you ना, in the earlier time, पहले टाइम में क्या होता था, where any so priest, पुजारी या कोई साधु कोई प्रे कर रहा होता था और उनको कोई डिस्टर्ब करता था, then what they used to do, they used to give the curse to them. उनको श्राप दे दिया जाता था. Same over here in our story, what they are saying, that if prince will going to mount his horse, अगर prince अपना horse चलाएगा, then what will happen? Curse will befall on it. उसके ऊपर श्राप गिर जाएगा and his dog will be dead. As he will going to ride a horse, so his horse will not be more. उसका जो horse है वो मर जाएगा. Somebody will have to throw the horse. उसके horse को वहां से वो किसी को kill कर देना पड़ेगा. Otherwise, the life of the prince will not be more. That the first one was telling. First Ravan told him that if the prince will going to ride a horse, then the curse will be fall on it and someone will going to kill the horse. Horse को कोई मार देगा and but the prince will be saved. अगर कोई दूसरा उस horse को मार देता है तभी king बच पाएगा, otherwise king will not be saved. Now, second, what the second Ravan said? Second Ravan said that as the king, son, prince will going to wear the dress of bridegroom. Bridegroom मतलब दूल्हा. He will going to wear the dress of bridegroom. At that time, what will happen? His body will going to melt. उसका जो अंदर का बॉडी है वो क्या हो जाएगा, मेल्ट हो जाएगा, मतलब पिघलने लगेगा. एंड ही विल नॉट बी एनी मोर. समवन हैव टू टेक आउट हिज क्लोथ्स ऑफ द ब्राइड ग्रूम एंड थ्रो इनटू द फायर. उसके जो क्लोथ्स हैं किसी को वहां से निकाल के कहां फेंक देना पड़ेगा, फायर में फेंक देना पड़ेगा. अदरवाइज ही विल नॉट बी एनी मोर. अदरवाइज अगेन प्रिंस मर जाएगा. दैट वाज द सेकेंड रावण वो सेइंग कि अगर उसने ड्रेस पहना दूल्हे का सो ही विल नॉट बी एनी मोर. उसका बॉडी अंदर से मेल्ट हो जाएगा. नाउ द थर्ड प्रेडिक्शन. व्हाट वाज द थर्ड प्रेडिक्शन? That the third Ravan was said that if the prince will going to dance with the princess, अगर प्रिंस प्रिंसेस के साथ डांस करेगा then what will going to happen? Then princess will not be anymore. Princess alive नहीं रह पाएगी. For that what someone have to do? Someone have to charm his cheeks. Charm means the beautiful magical words. Charm is a beautiful magical word. Someone have to touch the cheeks of the princess. These are our cheeks. So what he said, किसी को princess के cheeks ऐसे touch करने पड़ेंगे, then only princess will be alive. Otherwise princess will not be more. So what all three predictions were there? In all the three predictions that prince will not be more. Lakhan was very surprised to hear all these things. Why? Because he didn't even imagine. उसने तो ऐसा सोचा भी नहीं था कि अगर प्रिंस जो है वो मैरिज करना चाहेगा प्रिंसेस से, so all these things will going to happen. ऐसा कभी होगा. But while listening all these things, he got very afraid. अब वो बहुत ज्यादा डर गया था. What he said कि if all these things will going to happen, what I am going to do? So what he said? He said to Prince, I cannot allow you to get married. Why? Because if you are going to get married, I have heard about the three divine ravens that you may get ill. आप बीमार भी हो सकते हैं और you may get die. आप मर भी सकते हैं और आप ill भी हो सकते हैं. Then the prince got surprised. He said, why you are telling me all these things? So he said, no, I overheard. मैंने सुना है the three ravens were predicting and they told me. उन्होंने मुझे बताया है कि if you will ride a horse, तो क्या होगा? Someone will going to kill the horse. Secondly, if you are going to wear your dress, अगर आपका जो costume है दूल्हे वाला, अगर आप वो wear करोगे, then what will happen? Then you will not be more. अब आप live नहीं कर पाएंगे. Your body will going to melt. आपका जो body है वो अंदर ही अंदर melt होना start हो जाएगा. And what was the third prediction was that if you are going to dance with the princess, then what will happen? The princess will turn pale and she will die. Princess का जो body का color है वो क्या हो जाएगा? धीरे धीरे dark होने लगेगा and then she will not be any more. For that क्या करना पड़ेगा? Someone have to go and touch the cheeks of the princess, then only she will be alive. So the prince said कि if all these things are happening, how I am going to get married? Here our first part of the session gets over. So what we learn from the lesson that one faithful person, if you are working for someone and you are very faithful, then only you can get the important opportunity to work. अगर आप faithful हैं, truthful हैं, then only you can get the good opportunities. Otherwise you cannot get. अगर आप झूठ बोलते हैं, so you will not get the good opportunity. Over here, Lakhan was very faithful. He worked for his king very nicely. That's why in his whole of the kingdom, उसके पूरे kingdom में से king ने किसको choose करा? King chose only Lakhan for his work. Now what we are going to do? We are going to write few hard words and we are going to learn that. So first of all, we have already written 1 to 7. So we'll read that spelling and then we'll write few more. So let's get started. First one is faithful. First one is faithful. Wait, let's get started. Not with the meaning, with just the hard words. Now, first one is faithful. So spelling Faith. Faith, F-U-L, full. Faithful. Number two, nodded. Number two is nodded. N-O-D-D-E-D. Nodded. Number three, overheard. Number three is overheard. O-V-E-R-H-E-A-R-D. Number four, divine. Number four is divine. D-E-V-I-N-E. D-E-V-I-N-E. Then next comes number 5. Ravens. R-A-V-E-N-S. R-A-V-E-N-S. Next one is mounts. Next one is mounts. Over here, mounts means to ride. M-O-U-N-T-S. M-O-U-N-T-S. Number 7 is the prediction. Number 7 is the prediction. P-R-E-D-I-C-T-I-O-N. Now we'll write few more words and then we are going to learn them together. Now the 8th one is the spelling of Lakhan. L-A-K-H-A-N. Who was Lakhan? Lakhan was the servant of king. So we are going to learn the spelling of servant. S-E-R-V-A-N-T. S-E-R-V-A-N-T. And what the servant have to do? What did king ask him to do? King asked him to take care of his son. And how was the son? He was a young prince. Y-O-U-N-G. Young. P-R-I-N-C-E. Prince. P-R-I-N-C-E. Prince. And what prince want? Prince wanted to get married with a princess. P-R-I-N-C-E-S. Prince wanted to get married to a princess. Then, what was first divine Ravan was saying? He was saying that if king son prince will going to mount a horse, curse will fall. What he will be riding? Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Then what will fall on him? Curse. C-U-R-S-E. Curse will fall on him and he will be no more. Secondly, if he will going to wear the dress of bridegroom, then he will be no more. Spelling B-R-I-D-E-G-R-O-M. If he will going to wear it, then what will happen? His body will going to melt. And the next one was, if he will going to dance with the princess, then princess body will going to turn pale. So we learn the spelling of dance as well as the spelling of pale. Spelling of dance, D-A-N-C-E. And then the spelling of pale, P-A-L-E. Now, what you have to do? You have to learn all these spellings. We'll just recall all these spellings again and you have to learn them. Okay. First one is faithful. With the spellings I'm reading for you. Faithful. L. Faithful. Second one is nodded. Nodded. Third one is overheard. 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 Number fourth is divine. Devine. Number five, ravens. Ravens. Number six, mounts. 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 Then number seven, prediction. 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 Number eight, Lakhan. Lakhan. Who was Lakhan? Lakhan was a servant. So spelling of servant, Servant. Then the spelling of young prince, Young. Young. Prince. Prince. Then the spelling of princess. Prince wanted to get married to the young princess. Prince. Prince. Next is the spelling of horse. 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 Then number 13, course. Course. Then number 14 is bridegroom. 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 Then number 15 is the spelling of dance. 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 Number 16, pale. Total how many words are there? 16. What you have to do? You have to go through all the words and learn them. This is the first session of the lesson. Next session we'll continue afterwards. What you have to do? You have to go through them. And what we learn in our first session. फर्स्ट सेशन हमने पढ़ लिया. क्या समझे हम इसमें? दैट यू शुड बी फेथफुल. क्या समझे हम? वी शुड बी फेथफुल. हमें हमेशा फेथफुल रहना चाहिए टुवर्ड्स द पर्सन विद whom वी आर वर्किंग. हम किसी के साथ वर्क कर रहे हैं और वी आर हैविंग आवर फ्रेंड्स विद अस. हमारे फ्रेंड्स साथ में हैं और वी आर वर्किंग फॉर समवन, बट वी शुड बी फेथफुल. मतलब हम जो उनके लिए वर्क कर रहे हैं उसके लिए हमें कभी भी वी शुड नॉट डू एनीथिंग रॉन्ग. कभी हमें कोई चीज गलत नहीं करना चाहिए. बिकॉज दे ट्रस्ट ऑन अस. वो हमारे ऊपर क्या करते हैं? ट्रस्ट करते हैं. सेम ओवर हियर इन आवर स्टोरी. हु वाज ट्रस्टिंग? किंग यूज्ड टू ट्रस्ट ऑन हिज सर्वेंट. What was his name? His name was Lakhan. Because king is having so many persons. कितने सारे लोग होते हैं वहां पे. But he trusted only one. Why? Just because of his faithfulness. क्यों उन्होंने ट्रस्ट करा? Because his servant was very faithful. बहुत सारे सर्वेंट्स थे, उसमें एक ही सर्वेंट ऐसा था जो बहुत फेथफुल था. एंड व्हेन ही गॉट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क टू डू, जब उसको बहुत जरूरी वर्क मिला करने के लिए, दैट ही हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ द यंग प्रिंस. किंग का जो सन था उसको उसका ध्यान रखना था. टू बिकम अ गार्जियन ऑफ अ प्रिंस. प्रिंस का उसको गार्जियन बनना. सो दैट वाज द वेरी बिग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू डू. So he very slightly nodded his head. He put his head down like this and his eyes were filled with tears. उसकी eyes में tears क्यों आ गए थे? Because he thought that I am the luckiest person to get this much the responsibility. But for completing this responsibility, वो responsibility complete करने के लिए, the boy, the man have to complete his life. He have to be for the prince. Completely he have to give his whole life to the king's son. King के बेटे के लिए उसको अपना पूरा लाइफ क्या कर देना पड़ा? Sacrifice. क्यों? Because as king was getting older, जैसे जैसे वो king का son बड़ा हो रहा था, he said that I want to get married. उसको marriage करना था. So who was having the responsibility? Now his responsibility was on shoulder of Lakhan. और वो तो एक servant था. So he have to listen to प्रिंस, उसको प्रिंस की भी बातें माननी पड़ती थी। क्यों? बिकॉज प्रिंस वॉज किंग सन, प्रिंस तो किंग का सन था और वो तो उसके लिए वर्क करता था, एक सर्वेंट ही हुआ वो। सो स्टिल ही वॉज हैविंग द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, उसको रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तो था, बट साथ साथ में उसको क्या करना पड़ता था, उसको प्रिंस का बात भी मानना पड़ता था। क्यों? बिकॉज ही वॉज द सर्वेंट। तो वो उसको हमेशा माइंड में रखना पड़ता था कि मैं सर्वेंट हूं, तो मुझसे कोई भी चीज रॉन्ग ना हो जाए। If I am going to do something wrong, what I am going to tell to the king? मैं किंग को क्या आंसर दूंगा? That you have given me this much big responsibility and I could not fulfill it. So Lakhan sacrificed his life, and that was the first session of our lesson. The next session we'll continue in our next class.